Hello students, today's topic is human reproduction. In the human reproduction, the means human being, the type of reproduction is sexual reproduction. Okay, there are two types of reproduction: or sexual reproduction, in which sex cells are not involved, and in sexual reproduction sex cells are involved, means production of sex cells takes place in human body. That's why humans are sexually producing animals. Humans are sexually reproducing animals. यहाँ हम देखेंगे कि ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्शन कैसे होता है. सबसे पहले कि हमारे जो प्राइमरी सेक्स ऑर्गन्स है, प्राइमरी सेक्स ऑर्गन मीन्स इन मेल प्राइमरी सेक्स ऑर्गन इज टेस्टिस. ओके, टेस्टिस इज द प्राइमरी सेक्स ऑर्गन इन केस ऑफ मेल. इन फीमेल प्राइमरी सेक्स ऑर्गन इज ओवरी. बोथ आर कॉल्ड एज gonads. Testis is the male gonad while ovary is the female gonad. Okay, this testis produce a male gamete, that is the sperm, and ovary is female gonad. This produce a female gamete, that is ovum or egg, ova or egg. These are the primary sex organs. They produce the gametes. Testis produce male gamete and ovary produce female gamete. Okay, this process is called as gametogenesis. Means in the sexual reproduction, the gametogenesis is one of the step. Gametogenesis is the one of the step of sexual reproduction. Okay, or human reproduction. Testis produce sperm, that is male gamete. Ovary produce ovum, that is female gamete. Okay, this gametogenesis means formation of gametes takes place with the help of process gametogenesis. Okay, after formation of these gametes, sperm and ovum get unite. Sperm and ovum get unite, or they get fuse. Fusion of male and female gamete is called as fertilization, and this fertilization takes place inside the body. That's why it is called as internal fertilization. Okay, internal fertilization. Testis, ovaries produce the gametes by the process that is gametogenesis. Then after formation of gametes, they unite, they get fused to form a zygote. Zygote is the first product of fertilization. Fertilization is internal because it takes place inside the body of female. Inside the body of female, in a fallopian tube, fertilization takes place. That's why it is called as internal fertilization. Zygote is the first product of fertilization, and this zygote, it is diploid. Sperm is haploid, ovum is haploid. Okay, both means sperm contains n number of chromosome, ovum contains n number of chromosome. Both are haploid to form a diploid structure, that is zygote. Okay, now here after formation of zygote, the segmentation takes place. Segmentation, or it is also called as cell division, takes place. This zygote acts like a single cell, and it get divided to form 2-celled, 4-celled, 8-celled, 16-celled, okay, and 32-celled, and so on. Okay, and after formation of zygote, it undergo segmentation or the cell division. This zygote get divided to form 2-celled, 4-celled, 8-celled, 16-celled, and 32-celled. Now this 32-celled or 16-celled structure is called as morula. Morula. This is called as morula because it is the morula means it is the ball of cells having the smaller cells, micromeres, larger cells, macromeres, ball of cells, and it looks like a mulberry. That's why appearance of that particular structure is mulberry like appearance. That's why it is called as morula. And this morula means that is the ball of cells, number of cells, larger cells and smaller cells formation, they get arranged in a particular manner to form a ball of cells, that is morula. Now rearrangement of the cells takes place. Now this morula is converted into blastula. Morula is converted into blastula. मोरूला का कन्वर्शन ब्लास्टुला में होता है. ब्लास्टुला मीन्स इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज, सेकंड नेम ऑफ ब्लास्टुला इज ब्लास्टोसिस्ट. ब्लास्टो we can say blastocyst. It looks like a cyst, blastula. Okay, what happens here? Morula is converted into blastula by rearrangement of the cells, microcells and megacells, smaller cells and bigger cells. They get arranged in a such a way that cavity is formed inside the particular this structure. That cavity is called as blastocele cavity. Blastula means it is the structure having the blastocele cavity. Blastocele cavity. Okay, blastocele cavity. Okay, means this morula ball of cells. These cells, microcells and megacells rearrange in a such a manner that cavity is produced, and that cavity is called as blastocele cavity. Now this structure is called as, the structure having the blastocele cavity is called as blastula. Okay, now this blastula, again rearrangement of the cells takes place. And this blastula is converted into gastula. Gastula means it's such a structure. Blastula is rearrangement of cells is going on. Blastula is converted to gastula because this particular structure having three gastral layers: ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Okay, endoderm. These three layers, the particular structure showing these three layers are called as gastula, and these layers are called as gastral layers. ठीक है, इसका मतलब ये है कि आफ्टर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ गैमेट्स, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ zygote takes place. Zygote is converted into morula. Morula is converted into blastula. Blastula is converted into gastula. Okay, finally this gastula or gastral layers forms a different types of structures or organs or body parts to form a new individual by the formation of different parts or body organs. Okay, that process is called as organogenesis. Okay, now see this morula, number one, second one blastula, and third one is gastula. These particular stages means these are the different embryonic development. Okay, means this embryo is converted into zygote is converted into embryo. Okay, after formation of zygote, the different stages are found. That stages are called as different stages of the embryo: morula, blastula and gastula. Finally gastula turns into new individual. Okay, in a such way the sexual reproduction takes place. Okay, and this sexual reproduction results into the new individual. Okay, the reproduction means what? It is the process of formation of new individual which are similar to their parent. Okay, and in reproduction there are two types of reproduction: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction we'll see next time. Now in sexual reproduction, In sexual reproduction, different sequential steps are involved. The first one is that is the gametogenesis. Gametogenesis means that is the formation of gametes, that is the sperm and ovum. Okay. Second one is that is the insemination. Insemination means it is the process by which the gametes are transferred from one body to another body. Okay. We can say that sperms get penetrated from male body to female body. That is the insemination. If suppose it takes place artificially, then it is called as artificial insemination. Okay. Then next, fertilization. Okay, means the first one is the gametogenesis, formation of gametes. Then insemination, that gametes or the sperm get penetrated into the body of female, insemination. And third one is that is the internal fertilization, which takes place in the fallopian tube of female. Okay, internal fertilization. After fertilization, zygote formation takes place. Okay, which is the diploid structure, zygote. And after formation of zygote, embryo, different stages of embryo is formed. That is morula, blastula and gastrula. Embryogenesis. Genesis means that is the production of different types of embryos. Okay. And after formation of this embryo, the gestation means what? This particular word is mean for the pregnancy. Gestation means what? Pregnancy. It is a pregnancy period, 9 months and 9 days, particular definite period. That is the gestation period, or it is also called as pregnancy period. And after pregnancy, there is a delivery, that is the birth, parturition. Parturition means what? Delivery. Okay, process of birth. After completion of pregnancy period, it results into the parturition or delivery. Gestation, pregnancy, parturition means that is the delivery, that normal delivery or cesarean delivery. Okay, now the gametes are produced by the primary sex organ. Primary sex organ means that is the testes and ovaries. Okay, there is a male reproductive system and female reproductive system. Male reproductive system, primary sex organ is testis. Okay, other than testis, all these structures related to male reproductive system are called as secondary sex organs. Okay, the gametes are produced by the primary sex organs. Primary sex organ means that is the testes and ovaries. Apart from testes and ovaries, the other part or organs other than the testes and ovaries are called as secondary sex organs. They are called as secondary. मीन्स टेस्टिस और ओवरी को छोड़ के जो बाकी के जो पार्ट होते हैं रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम में, उनको कहेंगे सेकेंडरी सेक्स ऑर्गन्स. ओके, एंड वी कैन differentiate easily, that is whether the particular person is male or female. Means male and female can be externally differentiated. We can see externally that whether it is male or female by a certain specific features. That specific features or that external characters are called as secondary sexual character. Secondary sexual character, or it is also called as sexual dimorphic character. उसको कहेंगे सेक्सुअल डायमॉर्फिक कैरेक्टर. सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर और सेक्सुअल डायमॉर्फिक कैरेक्टर मीन्स वी कैन डिफरेंशिएट male and female with the help of these characters. Therefore these characters are called as secondary sexual characters. Okay, now what are the different secondary sexual character in male? What are the different sexual characters in female? Now in male what are the secondary sexual characters? The first one is presence of beard and mustaches. Okay, in male beard and mustaches मतलब दाढ़ी और मूछ. इन केस ऑफ मेल दाढ़ी आना और मूछ आना मतलब वो सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर है मेल. देन सेकेंड, हेयर ऑफ चेस्ट पे बाल उगना, इट इज़ वन ऑफ द सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर ऑफ मेल. मस्क्यूलर बॉडी, एनलार्ज लैरिंग्स मीन्स इट इज़ द साउंड बॉक्स. ओके, ये जो है वो लैरिंग्स है. ओके, लैरिंग्स और साउंड बॉक्स. तो मेल में ये बढ़ा हुआ होता है, आगे आया हुआ होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एनलार्ज्ड लैरिंग्स. एनलार्ज्ड लैरिंग्स, तो मेल के अंदर में ये लैरिंग्स ऐसे बड़ा हुआ होता है, एनलार्ज्ड हुआ होता है, फीमेल में नहीं होता. दैट्स वाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर्स, सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर. और एनलार्ज्ड लैरिंग्स, ये लैरिंग्स को एडम्स एप्पल भी बोलते हैं, एडम्स एप्पल, इट्स ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज एडम्स एप्पल. एंड लो पिच्ड वॉइस, मेल का जो वॉइस होता है वो लो पिच्ड वॉइस होता है, इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज मस्कुलाइन वॉइस, मस्कुलाइन वॉइस. ओके, these are the different secondary sexual characters by which we can identify the particular sex is male. Okay, second, in female, in case of female, the femaleness or the feminine characters are developed, feminine characters in female. Well developed breast जो होते हैं वो well developed होते हैं. We can broader pelvis means it is the lower part, the part which is present below the abdomen or stomach, that is the broader pelvis. And high pitch voice, in case of male there is a low pitch voice, और फीमेल का वॉइस जो होता है वो हाई पिच वॉइस होता है. हम इजीली आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं कि बोलने वाला पर्सन, वेदर इट इज़ मेल और फीमेल, इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज फेमिनाइन वॉइस. वी कैन इजीली आइडेंटिफाई, okay, the particular person is talking, that is whether it is male or female. Okay, this is regarding the introductory part of the human reproduction. Tomorrow we will see the next, that is male reproductive system. Okay, thank you, have a good day.